there is one free certification courses on database management. This course is offered by Academy Europe. Okay, let's see the overview of this course. Here, in total 22 lectures included here. Already 3073 students enrolled this course, and the duration of this course is 10 weeks. This tutorial provides the basic understanding of concepts of database installation and management. At the end of the tutorial, you should be equipped with well understanding of database management concepts. This is the free certification course. You will get your free certificate after completing this course. And here you can see the certificate you will get will be looking like this. So what or how can you get certificate from this Academy Europe? Let's see. You must click complete link at the end of every lesson of the course after you finish them. When you finish all lessons of course, the finish course link is going to be active at the end of the last lesson. When you click finish course link, you will finish your course on Academy Europe officially. Then certificate page of completed course will be automatically active before you, and then you can see and download your certificate after clicking here certificate link. So in this way you can get your certificate. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click over the enroll button. So when you click your enroll button, then they will ask you to put your mail password and just simply click here login. But if you're new here, then you need to just simply click your register button to create new account here. After creating account, then you'll be able to enroll this course. After completing this course, you will get your free. So just simply need to give your username, mail, password, confirm password, and just click your register. And just check the video description to get the link of this free certification course. Thank you.